White plastic granules arrive at the factory, beginning their controlled journey toward forming home fan components. The measured plastic granules are transferred into a hopper for controlled drying and preparation.
Controlled drying removes moisture from the plastic granules to ensure consistent molding quality. Steel sheets are staged carefully, ready to become internal structural parts of the home fan motor.
Copper wire spools are positioned precisely, preparing material for the fan motor winding process.
Copper wire spools undergo careful visual inspection to confirm uniform quality for motor winding. Rubber pellets are prepared to later reduce vibration inside the home fan motor.
Insulating resin is opened and readied to protect the internal motor components.
All raw materials are staged together, aligned precisely for the next controlled production phase.
Prepared raw materials advance together, moving toward precise measurement and processing stages. Plastic granules are weighed precisely to ensure exact amounts for molding home fan components.
Steel sheets are laser cut into uniform blanks for home fan motor construction.
Cut steel shafts are polished smoothly, preparing them for precise home fan motor assembly.
Rubber pellets are sorted for uniform size to form effective vibration dampers in the fan motor.
Insulating resin is filtered carefully to ensure clarity before coating the home fan motor windings.
Prepared raw materials are aligned carefully on the conveyor, ready for precise molding processes.
Plastic granules enter the injection unit, beginning the melting process for fan component molding.
Molten plastic fills the fan blade mold, forming precise curved blades for the home fan. Cooled fan blades are carefully released from the mold, keeping their glossy, curved shape intact.
Excess plastic is trimmed from fan blades to ensure perfect smooth edges for assembly.
Molten plastic is poured into the grill mold, forming the protective circular cover of the home fan.
Cooled circular grills are carefully removed from molds, keeping their precise shape intact.
Molten plastic fills the base mold, forming the wide, weighted bottom of the home fan.
Cooled fan bases are carefully released from molds, maintaining perfect flat circular shape.
Polished steel shafts are prepared and inspected for straightness before motor assembly in the home fan. Copper wire is wound precisely around the shaft to form the home fan's motor coils.
Filtered resin is applied to copper coils, insulating them for the home fan motor.
Rubber vibration dampers are inserted on the motor shaft to ensure smooth operation in the home fan.
The motor shaft with coils and dampers is enclosed in the plastic housing for the home fan.
3 glossy fan blades are mounted onto the motor shaft, forming the core of the home fan.
Blades are manually rotated to verify proper alignment and smooth motion in the home fan.
The rear grille is attached to the motor housing, completing the protective cover behind the blades. The front grille is secured over the blades, completing the home fan's protective front cover. The vertical pole is attached to the motor housing, forming the upright support for the home fan.
The vertical pole is secured to the base, completing the pedestal structure of the home fan.
The fan motor is electrically tested, ensuring smooth blade rotation and proper functionality.
The blades are visually inspected to confirm smooth surface, proper shape, and correct alignment.
The front grille is checked for even radial spokes and secure attachment on the home fan.
The rear grille is inspected to ensure secure attachment on the home fan.
The fully assembled home fan is moved carefully along the conveyor toward the packaging preparation station.
An open carton is positioned precisely to receive the fully assembled home fan for packaging.
The fully assembled home fan is carefully placed into the open carton, fully visible inside.
The carton flaps are folded carefully around the home fan, keeping the entire unit fully visible inside.
The carton containing the home fan is securely sealed with tape, preparing it for shipment. The sealed carton containing the home fan is carefully placed onto a pallet for organized storage.
Workers begin stacking sealed cartons of home fans onto pallets, keeping all units organized and visible.
The fully stacked pallet of home fans is checked and prepared for transport to the warehouse.
A forklift lifts the fully stacked pallet of home fans, transporting it toward warehouse storage.
The fully stacked pallet of home fans is placed securely in warehouse storage, ready for dispatch.
A transport truck approaches the loading dock, ready to receive pallets of home fans for shipment.
The forklift carefully loads a pallet of home fans into the truck, keeping all units stable and visible.
The pallet of home fans is secured inside the truck, ensuring safe transport to its destination.
The truck departs the loading dock, transporting pallets of home fans toward delivery.
A wide shot shows the truck leaving the factory, carrying pallets of home fans for delivery.
Workers scan pallets containing home fans to verify inventory before scheduling transport.
The forklift positions itself to lift a pallet of home fans for transport to the delivery truck. The forklift lifts the pallet of home fans carefully from the rack, preparing for truck loading.
The fully stacked pallet of home fans is inserted into the truck for transport. The truck departs the warehouse dock, transporting home fans to distribution destinations.
A wide aerial shot shows the truck leaving the factory, carrying pallets of home fans for distribution.
The truck carrying pallets of home fans travels along the highway toward regional distribution centers.
The truck approaches the regional warehouse, ready to unload pallets of home fans at the dock. A forklift unloads the pallet of home fans from the truck at the regional warehouse dock. The pallet of home fans is placed securely in regional warehouse storage for later distribution.
Warehouse workers verify pallets of home fans, ensuring all units are secure and properly inventoried.
The forklift lifts a pallet of home fans from regional storage, preparing it for local delivery.
The pallet of home fans is carefully loaded into the delivery vehicle for local distribution.
The delivery truck departs the regional warehouse, transporting home fans toward local stores.
A wide street shot shows the delivery truck carrying pallets of home fans through local roads toward retail destinations.
The delivery truck arrives at the store loading bay, carrying pallets of home fans for stocking. The forklift unloads the pallet of home fans from the delivery truck at the store loading area.
The pallet of home fans is positioned in the store's designated area, ready for stocking.
Workers carefully unpack the home fans from the cartons, keeping each unit fully visible and intact. The home fans are placed neatly on display shelves, fully assembled and ready for customers.
A close-up shows the fully assembled home fan on display, highlighting its smooth blades and grille alignment.
A customer inspects the fully assembled home fan on display, checking its blades and overall structure.
A store worker replenishes the display with fully assembled home fans, keeping all units clearly visible.
The store display is fully stocked with home fans, each unit neatly arranged and fully visible. A wide shot shows fully stocked home fans on display shelves, ready for customers to purchase. A customer lifts a fully assembled home fan from the shelf, keeping the unit fully visible and intact.
The fully assembled home fan is placed carefully on the checkout counter, visible and intact.
The checkout process begins for the home fan, ensuring the fully assembled unit remains intact and visible.
The customer receives the fully assembled home fan, keeping the entire unit fully visible and intact.
The customer exits the store carrying the fully assembled home fan, keeping it fully visible and intact.
The customer places the fully assembled home fan into their vehicle, keeping it fully visible and intact. The customer secures the fully assembled home fan in their vehicle, ensuring it remains intact and visible.
The customer drives home with the fully assembled home fan, keeping the unit fully visible inside the vehicle.
The customer arrives home with the fully assembled home fan, keeping it fully visible inside the vehicle. The customer unloads the fully assembled home fan from the vehicle, keeping it fully visible and intact.
The customer carries the fully assembled home fan into the house, keeping it fully visible and intact. The fully assembled home fan is placed in the living room, remaining fully visible and intact.
The customer adjusts the fully assembled home fan for optimal positioning, keeping it fully visible and intact.
The fully assembled home fan is switched on, with blades rotating smoothly and remaining fully visible. The fully assembled home fan runs smoothly, circulating air while remaining fully visible and intact.
A close-up shows the home fan's blades rotating smoothly, remaining fully visible and intact.
The fully assembled home fan circulates air, shown by the gentle movement of a nearby scarf.
The customer adjusts the home fan speed, with blades rotating faster while remaining fully visible and intact.
The fully assembled home fan oscillates smoothly, maintaining full visibility and intact form. A wide shot shows the fully assembled home fan operating in the living room, fully visible and intact.
The customer switches off the fully assembled home fan, keeping it fully visible and intact.
The customer gently cleans the home fan's grille, ensuring the entire unit remains fully visible and intact.
The customer carefully dusts the home fan's blades, keeping the fully assembled unit visible and intact.
The customer reassembles the home fan's grille, keeping the entire unit fully visible and intact.
The fully assembled home fan remains stationary in the living room, fully visible and intact.
A wide interior shot shows the fully assembled home fan placed in the living room, fully visible and intact.
The customer switches on the fully assembled home fan for evening use, keeping it fully visible and intact.
A close-up shows the home fan's blades rotating smoothly during evening operation, fully visible and intact.
The fully assembled home fan oscillates smoothly in evening light, remaining fully visible and intact.
A wide shot shows the fully assembled home fan operating in the living room during an evening, fully visible and intact.
The customer switches off the fully assembled home fan at night, keeping it fully visible and intact.
The customer covers the fully assembled home fan for safety, keeping it fully visible and intact.
The fully assembled home fan sits covered in the living room at night, fully visible and intact.
A wide interior shot shows the fully assembled home fan covered at night, fully visible and intact.
And this is how modern factories produce home fans from start to finish.